Hello. Nag-aayos na. Okay lang ba ito?
Ito lang coffee ko.
Plus mo ito kasi mo. May bangay. Ito ating tatay.
Bag na naay.
Ha?
Ay bag na.
Ay, haan? Ibati na diyan.
Mati na to.
Ay, jabag ko, ibati ka no diyan. Para na.
Wala ba?
Oo, hindi, baka magkatin na ito ini. Smile! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
How's the door, guys? For parents, why there?
Oh, here. Okay. Hi. Hello. Good morning.
That's our left.
Okay.
Sí, sí, ellos siempre le toman porque cuando ellos reciben el diploma.
Tama.
Dito kami sa Amerika nag-attend ng graduation.
Graduation. Mamaya pa mag-start. 9 o'clock. Ang lamig guys. Buti na lang may light sweater tayo. Parang naka-full blast ng kanyang aircon. So dito po dito po nila ginaganap yung
Rodin.
yung rodeo.
Seymour class of 2024. My name is Aaron Jacob, teacher at Marion Seymour, and I will be your master of ceremonies for today's graduation proceedings. At this time, I'm pleased to present the administration staff of Marion Seymour and our distinguished guests.
Bienvenidos a la graduación del 2024. Muchas gracias por acompañarnos para celebrar un día tan importante para nosotros como lo es hoy. Muchas gracias.
Hi, my name is Medina Madar. I'm from Djibouti and I will be representing in my native language, Somalia. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Maanta waxaan iskugu imanay inaan u hambalyeelno ardayda oo ka qalin jabinaysa Marion Seymour Thank you.
Hi, my name is Camila Adrian Tumanda and my home country is the Philippines. I will be addressing you in my native language of Cebuana. Maayong buntag, ako nag-aabi-abi kaninyo sa seremonya sa pagtapos sa klase sa tuig 2024. Salamat sa pag-anyo o pagtabang kanamo at sa ulong sa usa sa pinaka-importanteng adlaw sa among kinabuhi isip mga Mokertman.
My name is Honorable Tumaini, and my home country is Rwanda, and I will be addressing you in my native language, Kinyarwanda. Murakaza kuri graduation ya 2024 mwakoze kuza kudufasha guserebura umunsi mukuru wacu.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I want to say congratulations to everybody here. My name is Alhamdulillah, and I'm my native country. My home country is Senegal, and my native language is Wolof. And I will be addressing this in Wolof. maa ngi dalal ko ñëpp ci nekk di leen wax jërëjëf si ngeen ñëw si bés bu gën a neex suñu bés yi 2024 jërëjëf.
Hey, my name is Ernest Adambu, and my home country is Burundi. I will address you in my native language Swahili. Karibu nyote kwenye sherehe letu za kuhitimu katika mwaka 2024. Nashukuru kwa kuja kwa kila wote. Asante sana.
My name is Marco Ciano. I'm from the Democratic Republic of Congo. I will be addressing you as my native language of French. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue dans la célébration de la classe 2024. Merci pour nous rejoindre.
French.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Samar Doha, and my home country is Kenya. I'll be addressing you in my native language of Arabic. مرحبا بكم في حفل تخرج دفعة 2024. نقدر حضوركم الكريم للاحتفال معنا بهذه المناسبة العظيمة والتي تعد من أبرز لحظات حياتنا. شكرا لكم جميعا وألف مبروك لنا كخريجين عام 2024. Thank you all, and please.
All of our teachers are seated behind the graduates. These individuals have been in the trenches with our seniors day in and day out, working around the clock. Finally, most importantly, I want to welcome all the parents, guardians, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and those who played a role in getting our graduates here on this special day. Thank you. You may be seated. Seniors, as you get ready to progress to your next chapter, I'd like to personally congratulate you on this milestone. The list of accomplishments of this class is truly amazing. We have 139 students that are career ready, 105 students that are college ready. This class has earned 350 dual credit hours, and we have 255 career certificates earned by our students. The list of accomplishments academically, athletically, extracurricular, and co-curricular this group of seniors is long and distinguished. I'm confident that you will continue your success in your next venture in life. It is always a great day to be a Mustang, but it is a better day to be a Marion C. Moore Mustang graduate. At this time, I'll invite Dr. Amy Green Webb from the Board of Education.
As a representative of the Jefferson County Board of Education, and I authorize you to issue the diplomas signifying that these students have met all requirements for graduation and are entitled to all honors that are decreed upon them.
Nathaniel Moore. Stephanie Garcia. Ruzoni Joyce. Christian Navarro. Raylan Wynn. Alpha Niaseca. Sara Nakoto. Celia Oliveira. Melanie Perez Cruz. Josue Bobos-Tino. Marco Price. Jaden Rollins Durham. Ronald Robinson. Adelaide Sagado. Jasmine Sampson. Shemaya Scarce. Cameron Settle. Levi Schaefer Hart. Ashik C. Savannah Shields. Alana Slade. Abigail Stewart. Mackenzie Stinson. Jonathan Thomas. Alexander Cohen-Araka. Anita Copo. Honorable Tumaini. Camille Adrian Kumayanda.
Pinto ko eh.
Yung first. Yung first na baka ni Sam. Samantha.
Johanna Balaga.
Malaga. Tingnan ka dyan.
John Vivas Delgado. Mackenzie Wilson. Maria Young. Arturo Yuki. At this time, we will do the presentations of diplomas for this. At this time, I would again like to welcome your principal, Dr. Jason Dietrich, to the podium. Is a significant symbol of achievement. You walk in today with the tassel on the right side of your cap hanging in pride. After receiving your diploma, we will now move it to the left side of the pride on your compliment. Class of 3 people, the main people
Be careful. Get around. Dami, tingin kayo dito.
Hi! Congrats! Christian!
Ayan.
Ayan,
Sa
picture,
one.
picture, picture, video. Jokran! Ando na sila sa labas. Kala ko babalik sa wala ano. Ulit na. Dito tayo mag-picture-picture sa labas. One hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
Uy, kailangan mo hindi ako
Tatlo sila, no? Pilipino. Ay, nakaon? Ay. Ilan tatlo? Ha? Tatlong Pilipino. Oh, tatlo. Ang nabilang ko. Nasaan na sila? Lako, ha? Jai?
Straight down. Doon sila.
Ay, straight ka no, straight. Maghanap tayo ng mga bata. Okay.
Ano mga napito?
Oh. Christian, take a picture with your friends. Who are your friends?
Take a picture. What may bagay to? It's gonna be obvious. It's ending.
I'll wait.
Oh, you take picture.
Hi.
Oh, Christian. Cristiano.
Oh, take a picture with Kuya Adrian.
Once again.
Christian,
Over
go
there.
with Kuya Adrian. Take a picture.
Come.
That's the guy.
There.
Adrian, ano ba? Picture kayo dua. Congratulations, Nam. Oh, everybody is in that group. No, Filipino there. Christian, everybody there. Here, let's go.
Where? You're just pointing somewhere that I
There. Yeah, I'm in that. You wanna go there? Yeah, come on, let's go. May kaya ko rin. Adrian, sige tayo dyan nakapantay tatay. Ay, apo, ni Christian. Ay, awan man yun.
We'll take picture. You'll picture. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bao.
He's a very great kid. So
Thank
congratulations.
you. Thank you so much. Is that mine? Ay, look at this.
There she is.
Oh, beautiful. Tayo dyan. Natata kami dun. Hindi na panyanak mo dyan yun.
This is the parking lot after a break in the middle of the parking lot of Jake.
I was on the other side and they were talking about
there's something now.
Oh! Ay!
Yeah.
Hello! Oh, yung katala ng candy, ha? Thank you, JR! Oh, put that back, baby. Put your hat back.
It's hot. Put this thing on. Let me go to Tito. Let's go to Tito.
Where is she?
Ano, Tito?
Tito. Anak ni Jojo ka yung bigay. I'm sitting here looking on the wall.
Congratulations! Asan yung dalaga mo? That picture na... Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Video?
Good, video.
Oh, sige. Oh.
Right na?
Yeah.
Take a picture. Ayan. I'm taking your picture. Where's Kuya? Ganda naman.
Ay,
Filipina. Thank you. Ate ka. Yung video natin. Hello, Kim.
She said they're not doing this on the right.
Pintas. Ano kami ito yung graduation ni Christian? Nagkalkalpas lang. Ano kami ito yung Rumar? Nasa Ate Kimberly.
Hi, ate.
Congratulations daw.
Thank you.
You stay on the water.
2022 Chevy Traverse. Are they better? Because if not, it's gone.
Adrian, video na kami ang uncle mo. Dito na kanidilita.
Yeah.
Look at the other one. Christian, look at me. Thank you.
Here, I'm gonna give the call to Dad.
Ate said congratulations.
Hello.
Wala pa na. Hello everybody! So tapos na yung graduation ng bunso namin. Pero ano, ayaw pa daw niyang umuwi kasi sasama daw niya sa mga mga friends niya. Mag-dinner, magla-lunch daw sila kasi gutom. So ayan, pauwi na kami guys. Yan, pila-pila yung palabas dito sa dito sa may Broadbent Arena. Yan, mga pila-pila. Palabas na tayo.
Dapat pasorbingan na pa ko may diya. Diretso na mga floating puti ko.
Kat, diretso mo din manita din. Pila-pila lang ito. Ay, agmerge ita.
Siguro.
It's like pizza. Come on.
Or rectangles.
There you go. Go down. Go down.
No, bro, all the way down. All the way down.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
That's true.
It's a necessity, bro.
It's the light and the clear. more.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Get your plate.
One tiny piece of sugar. Can I have a piece of the cake?
Oh, do we have more mix there, huh?
Yeah, you have your own. I don't want jello. Let me know. They're upstairs. They're upstairs.
I guess like 40 something.
You want some of the Max?
I would hate that to be
You should get more.
What about the other cake? Hindi pa
I'm sorry.
What flavor is the other cake? My phone broke.
Bro, I gotta wait till Colin gets off, so probably like.
I'm taking a video.
The black tea.
Absolutely. I could, but I'll wait. I'm pretty sure you're gonna
I bought you.
let y'all have that.
And he wasn't taking the black tea.
I'll try mine. Like 6
Yeah, can you cut this one too?
I think next year I'll just trade it in for the new one. That's kind of
Yes, also one?
But it's
Tita, what flavor is
Huh?
the cake? Green. It tastes like bottom one. I mean,
Is it good?
tastes like taco.
Oh?
No, like
Is
you
it
know,
all?
like
Taste it.
the one they sell in the Chinese one.
It's good.
Better than this one. Ow!
Maybe that's lemon. This is green.
Sorry.
Come on, Christian. Just cut it a straight line. Yeah, there you go.
It just tastes green.
Okay.
I just like this part.
Okay.
like Colin.
Love you guys.
Oh, sorry. Oh, no. Nope, none at all.
Pastor, going pagkain na. Kasi anong gusto niya inumin? Meron na. Bawal kay water.
I think if I went to another school, like if I went to Ballard or something, I definitely got at least one. Yeah, no, I mean,
Sarap itong gabi, oh.
more
Ginawa ni
expert.
Brother
Like,
Alex.
they had called me a minute
Oh,
ago to
masarap.
ask me if I was still applying, but their tuition
Alam
was
naman
like,
masarap ito. Tagal-tagal na hindi ako nakakain itong, ano to,
I don't know
dinatama.
what I'm doing.
Hindi.
I've been,
Laing.
I mean, I want to study marketing. I mean, that's the only reason I would go, but
You want to
Coach,
buy
you know,
a
Coach
summer
Steve,
Christian? Get the first, ano.
he keeps telling me like all like
Ano,
there's
gadumot
different
ito,
things you get into, make
Nice,
a
slice yung,
bunch of money,
nice yung
and you start working earlier.
Sige.
But he keeps trying to get me to do something.
Pag mo may
I think it's strawberry or red velvet.
You don't want, yeah, he's like, I don't want you to go there and spend hundreds of
I
thousands.
think, I don't know.
Maybe going to
That's okay.
Yeah.
Ano lapit cake, ano kaya daw? May mga lapit cake ito eh. Ano timakan?
Yep, so I got a lot to think
Pagkatinditan ka, kasabsabli ka.
I've been
Ano
stressing.
naman may belungo. Last come back na na. So, alam mo, I was
Sit
it.
down soon.
Christian, would you like to taste it?
Cake says, hey, the jello.
Chan, taste it.
Send me
Taste.
like 3 meetings to talk about 3 people who are into that type of thing.
Christian, where are your other friends? Are they upstairs? Are they all upstairs?
They're eating.
Upstairs?
Yeah, they're eating
Yeah, they're
food.
all over.
They're either,
Hi! In the
Who's
room
that?
or upstairs.
Is that on me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm the queen of this.
What flavor is it? When did you figure it out yet? Your teeth
That's how I feel, bro. Yeah, I can't say anything, so bro, y'all
just say it.
So how do you like the Filipino food? Is it good? You like that?
Yeah.
Did you try this?
Yeah.
It's roasted. It's roasted dog.
Yo!
There's no chicken there. This one, what is that, chicken?
I'm pretty sure there's chicken in there.
Yeah, that's chicken. Ito puro mga cellphone.
Nag-among us lang po kami.
Ha?
Nag-among us.
Pero cellphone. Anong laro yan? What kind of game?
Among Us.
Hello, Alpha. Alfonso. This is Alfonso. You got a lot of friends here visiting you. Palagi kang nagtatago dyan. Alfonso is always hiding. Alfonso.
Alfonso?
Yeah. His name is Alfonso. Yeah. But at night he comes out and like that. He's like eating in the middle of the night. Can you get some more food there, guys? We have a lot of roasted, the roasted meat and the what is this? There's more lying there too. Oh, and the cake. Can you get some cake? Guys, girls, there's cake also. Christian already sliced the whole cake, so we'll have preserved. Yeah. Well, my
So it was a great Kool-Aid, the great fan, and now it's the chicken. And we were just talking about water.
Yes. Mag. Ay,
Thank you so much.
ay una kayo?
Sakabay na ko yung Manuel.
Pwede kang magbaon. Bawalan mo si Denny. Kasi ang dami tayong pagkain.
Hi, vlog! Sasabay na ko kay Tito.
Can you bring some food or you're gonna bring for your mom later?
Yo, why would you push me, bro?
If you want to bring.
Or pansit? Ang dami natin pansit.
Ano ba? Sabi ko, ano kay Manuel?
Toto ba siya?
Paano po tayo?
Nakikimarites sa
Ay! Nagmamarites.
Yung, dalaan ba daw na simbing?
Pansit. Gusto niya? Pansit?
May lalabas.
Yan. What? Hello! Dagati ka kailyak na. Taga Mountain Province. Ni Julian ni Joy. Tapos naman ang siyempre ni Delphine. Tapos ni Dada from Tarlac. Tarlac. Ni Manong taga Bayaw. Manong taga... Ada pa isa. Ano Ilocos? Gawin. Quezon Hill. Montalban iso. Dagati mulmula me.
Mayap. Punan na matriman, matamaan mo kaya.
Matamati? Ay, no kunto aman to tikuanan, dagitan. No awan tun. Sabi ka mo dyan. Wan. Sa di kamat, nagpicture kami tatay. Ay, ito na. Oh, pero kay purple, diba doon? Magkana ka nag-purple. Hi, Dad. Thank you for cooking. Everybody like the food, Dad. So, ulit din ka, no? Thank you for the food. And thank you for the Jack Daniel Social. Social ni ano nga, Jack Daniel Goodbye.